guys, thank you for visiting the channel again. कैसे हैं आप सब? We are back with yet another travel video and this time we are in Coonoor.
We are back with yet another video series and this is about Coonoor. It will be a 3-episode series where we will give you each and every information that you need to plan for Coonoor. So in this episode we are going to talk about our stay. We are staying at a place called TEANEST, which is one of the best properties of Coonoor. So I searched for a lot of properties but I couldn't find anything which is better than this. They have their own tea estate and the place is massive, it is beautiful and has lot of activities to explore. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Come, I'll show you around.
So we planned for Coonoor from Bangalore. It's a 3-day 2-night tour for us and we came by bus. So the round trip fare for a bus would be around 3.5 to 4k for a person. And coming to TEANEST, we had booked the rooms from Make My Trip before. For 2 days the cost of the rooms were around 11k. Also talking about the location of TEANEST, this is kind of in the middle of the town. So it is around a 15-20 minutes ride from the bus stop or the railway station. The area is really peaceful, so even if you take a walk around you'll have a really good time. So definitely TEANEST would be a great recommendation if you're planning to come.
The place looks beautiful at night as well. We close the day with a delicious dinner. Coonoor. So till now we have shown you about the property and the surroundings. Today we'll do a full room tour. The room in which we are staying is called Hibiscus room. So let me show you around. Come with me.
We also have a lot of food options including breakfast, lunch and dinner. The food is very tasty. Breakfast for us was included within the package and we had a buffet breakfast with a lot of varieties. So if you're coming here, you can keep your options open to have the food here itself. But for now, cheers. So that was all about episode 1. We hope कि आपको ये प्रॉपर्टी अच्छी लगी होगी और अगर अच्छी लगी है तो please do consider booking this property if you're traveling to Coonoor. In the next episode we are gonna come up with the places that you can visit in Coonoor. आप कहाँ साइट सीइंग कर सकते हैं, कहाँ जा सकते हैं, वो सारा इन्फॉर्मेशन हम आपको अगले एपिसोड में प्रोवाइड करेंगे. So till then take care. Please do subscribe to the channel and share the video with your family and friends. We will see you on the next video.